निर्वनो वध्यते व्याघ्रो निर्व्याघ्रो छिद्यते वनम तस्माद् व्याघ्रो वनम रक्षेत वनम व्याघ्रम च पालयेत.
मी धनंजय अरविंदराव भटकर.
माझं नाव कालू बेलसरे आहे सर. माझं राहणं इथं शानूरले आहे. मला झालं इथं गाईड म्हणून की 2.5 वर्ष झालं सर.
आर उईके वनरक्षक, केलपानी बीट, धारगड रेंज.
माझं नाव दिनेश बालाजी केंद्रे. मी वनरक्षक पदावर आहे. मागील जवळपास 3.5 वर्षापासून मी धारगड परिक्षेत्रामध्ये वनरक्षक म्हणून कार्यरत आहे.
कॉलिंग केलपानी धारगड कॉलिंग केलपानी.
India, known for its incredible diversity of majestic and grand forest areas. These jungles have cultural inheritance throughout the lands. Since ancient civilization, they narrate countless stories of courage, strength, and hope. The Melghat Tiger Reserve brings you one such story of hope and bravery. The frontline warriors of Melghat. Magical as its nature is a semi-deciduous forest situated at the northern extreme of the Amravati district of Maharashtra. These ghats lie in the southwestern Satpura mountain ranges. As it says, Melghat is a blend of ghats and heavenly peaks. The area is blessed abundantly with vast diversity in flora and fauna. As one of the largest tiger reserves in India, Tiger thrones its pride. These majestic forests are hope for many. The dense canopies are protected by the frontliners of our forest. The warriors are the strength who wholeheartedly stand to protect the ecosystem. Frontline warriors of Melghat are individuals with high sense of duty. These green warriors share a very intrinsic and spiritual bond with their land. These forests are their home and they keep it safe and healthy. The warriors are a set of people working in different denominations of authority, each one doing its job with full faith and sincerity, starting from the one Mazur, who is the major base in every operation. These one Mazurs know their forest in and out. The forest guard, the forester, and range officers united together work for the better outcome. Green warriors strive day and night to keep these jungles sound. Their days aren't ordinary and they often lose counts of their night. The jungle is like a war zone and they are at war every single day with the risk of losing lives. Their days include various activities like camera trapping, M stripes, foot patrolling, and observing waterhole. The green warriors are always on duty. The region is blessed with all 3 seasons in abundance, starting from the furious summers to chilling winters. As summers are burning hot, it's most challenging time for these ghats. As there are extreme forest fires in the region, these situations are chaotic. As the warriors work day and night to ensure the safety of our ecosystem, they have to survive in adverse conditions. And yet, with all their will, they don't give up. The winters are harsh yet soothing in its nature, as the temperature drops down to 3 to 4 degrees. Yet, in chilly weathers, these warriors are steadily patrolling. As the rainy season approaches, the forest shuts its door for the outside world. The medium of commute comes to a pause. The warriors have to survive without any major communication facility. The life of forest official is a dice with death, as the forest never stops testing them. Deeper the forest, greater the risk. Majorly in summers, there are some greater issues such as poisoning of waterholes, cattle grazing, and forest fires. As the animals come out for water, the chances of poaching increases. The forest guards have to keep a note of every movement happening in the forest. They make sure that their ears are open and their feet are walking in trembling conditions. But however unbelievable circumstances it seems, when asked, they said that forest is their home. They belong here. Protecting feels like worshipping to them. As a soldier on border is always ready to sacrifice his life for his country, these green warriors are no less. The nature can be their god and demon, and the change is often sudden. India is a country of lush green forests with widespread grasslands and diversified habitats. These green warriors are our savior. They work in least available facilities and their demands are only basic. Their life revolves around affirming a better forest which is safer for wildlife. As warriors, they go through several hardships and challenges, but they are honest in their endeavor. Green warriors give their whole life for bettering these forests, giving it their everything. The cost of service is a lifetime, but with pride, they keep moving for a better today and enriching tomorrow. For you and me, the world stood still as pandemic hit us. We saw numerous stories of hope and selflessness, of life and death. We understood where we belong to protect our close in such devastating times. They are nation's frontliners. They are our pride. And today we bring to you one such story of bravery, strength, and hope. The frontline warriors of Melghat.
Wow.